To set up mobile hotspot on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter mobile network right here, and then there's options for personal hotspot. When you enter it, you can activate or deactivate this option using a switch, and then when it's activated, we'll be able to adjust all of the settings, starting with the name for your network. You can enter whichever name you want to use for the network, how everybody else will be able to see it. You can also change the password right here. It needs to have at least 8 digits. You can also remove the password entirely by changing the settings that I will show you in a few moments. We can use this button which shows QR code. Now you can scan this QR code using other device to instantly connect with that hotspot. You can also check which devices are currently connected to your hotspot, and then you can modify how many people are able to connect at the same time. You can also see the block list, which allows you to unblock the people that you've already blocked, and then we can go into more options, which here we can change security protocol. If you want to remove password, as I promised, you can select none. If you want to use password, use any of the WPA protocols. After that, we can also change AP band to 5G, which offers a faster speed, but some devices will have problems while connecting with that network. So if your other device has problem while connecting, then make sure to change to 2.4G. Now your network will be slightly slower, but should be more compatible with older devices. Then there is option to auto disable your hotspot after 5 minutes of inactivity, up to 60 minutes, and you can also set it to never to disable that option. You can hide your personal hotspot, which will make it invisible for others. If they want to connect, they will need to perform the manual connection using the information that you filled already. Lastly, there's Wi-Fi protocol. You can switch between 5 and 6. Again, 5 is more compatible with older devices, and 6 will be less compatible, but will offer better network performance. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.